Is your iPhone not producing any sound? This can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to enjoy music, watch videos, or hear important notifications. Don't worry, this guide will walk you through some effective solutions to fix the no sound issue on your iPhone. So let's get started. Solution 1. Check important audio settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Sounds and Haptics. Enable Change with buttons. Make sure to turn up the volume to the maximum. Solution 2. Adjust audio. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Accessibility. Scroll down, tap Audio and Visual. Turn on Mono Audio. Scroll down, make sure to set this audio point in the middle. Solution 3. Offload apps that are not giving you sound like YouTube or Apple Music. Open Settings, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Find out the apps that are causing issues like Apple Music or Spotify or YouTube. Tap Offload. Tap Offload again, and tap Reinstall. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 4. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and select Reset All Settings. Confirm your choice. Note, this will not erase your data, but will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper. Once your iPhone restarts, check if the sounds work or not. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the no sound issue on your iPhone. If this guide helps you out, then don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Stay tuned for the next video.